What up, and welcome. I'm Matthew Msingati, the designer and developer. This is my YouTube channel, Coded Design, where I teach coding and user interface design. In this video, I'm going to show you jQuery variables. How do you declare a variable in jQuery? When you want to declare a variable in jQuery, you must always start with a $sign, and then our jQuery variable is going to be name. And then what we want to do, we want to assign a string Matthew. We want to assign a string Matthew to this variable. So the best thing we can do now to test if our variable is working, we can just alert this name. We can just display this name instead of displaying text. Let's run this and see. As you can see, Matthew is being displayed. Let's just check if maybe we want to display John. Okay, that is it. What if maybe we might want to, instead of displaying a name, we want to display a number? The procedure is the same. You shall say number equal to and assign the number, and then from there let's comment this one so that we can display this number. Voila, 45. One last thing before we end the video. Let's just try to display both a string and a number at the same time so that we can also learn how to concatenate in jQuery. So we are going to say my age is equal to, suppose it says my age is equal to 45. Concatenation in jQuery is done by a plus sign, so don't be confused. This plus sign doesn't mean a mathematical expression or an addition. You are not adding, you are just concatenating. Concatenation in programming is more like attaching things together rather than making evaluating. This is not an expression to be evaluated mathematically. This is just concatenation. Let's just quickly test it and see. Voila, my age is 45. I am not 45. My age is not 45. Okay, then that is it for me. I'm Matthew Msingati, the designer and developer. If you feel like this video has added a value in your overall understanding of jQuery, please subscribe. See you on the next one.